Want to extend your phone's battery life? Here are some simple tips. Lower screen brightness. Dimming your screen or using auto brightness can significantly reduce battery drain. Turn off unused apps. Background apps use power, even when not in use, so close them regularly. Enable power saving mode. Most smartphones have a built-in power saving mode that limits unnecessary functions. Turn off location services and Bluetooth. When you don't need GPS or Bluetooth, turning them off can save battery. Use Wi-Fi over mobile data. Wi-Fi consumes less power than mobile networks, so connect to Wi-Fi whenever possible. Follow these tips to make your battery last longer throughout the day.